Hello, I'm Brendan Pettigrew from the Newman Property Group, and I've been asked to sell a development in a prestigious rural area of Coventry called Bayton Lodge. Bayton Lodge is a 3,000 square feet home set in acreage which has current planning permission to build 2 further very large houses, and the owner is about to be passed for planning permission on another 2 plots. So please contact me on the number on the screen if you want to know a few more details from it. Beautiful location, surrounded by countryside, and there's adequate road access up the side of the development to give access. Any more details, give us a call or email me at brendan@newman.uk.com. Thank you for watching.